Welcome to neCARmancer, and in this video we're going to start the restoration of my 1985 Lincoln Town Car Hearse from the Eagle Coach Company. As you can see in these first few pictures, the car wasn't in the greatest shape, but I never realized how bad things really were until I started digging into repairing small things. That quickly turned into major repairs, including rebuilding the engine and transmission, along with some serious electrical gremlins that needed addressing. In fact, the electrical system is so bad, the car would die idling because of parasitic loss. Even being hooked to a battery charger, it would still drain the battery. So, my plan is to just completely gut all of the wiring and put brand new wiring, a brand new electrical box in, and change out the ECU because, let's face it, a 35-year-old ECU with throttle body injection is complete and utter garbage. Next up on my list of projects is the bodywork. As you can tell, there's a lot of Bondo, a lot of very ripply metal, and just poor craftsmanship altogether. This was actually done by the coach builder, and from what I understand, this is extremely common with any hearse from any era, whether it be brand new or 50 years old, just different levels by different manufacturers. So all of this needs to get addressed and straightened out before I get started on anything else. The next issue we ran into is rust, and lots of it. What started off as a small piece that I thought, oh, that's not too bad, I can fix that, turned into major body repairs, major rust, and lots of fabricating, which is going to take some time since I have to teach myself all of this. The good thing that comes of this, though, is along with all the rust repair and major body work, it gives me a good reason to smooth out a lot of panels and make the car look amazing for a 1985 car that weren't exactly the most stylish thing in the world. For the electrical system, I'm just going all new. I found a universal wiring kit that I'm going to wire in, replacing everything, along with a Mega Squirt ECU that's going to replace the factory ECU that's out of date, which I know is total overkill for a bone stock Ford 302. But my plan is to modify it or replace it with something else. If you have any opinions on what engine I should put in there, leave it in the comments. I'd love to get your input. As far as the color, I decided on Intruder Purple, which might be crazy for me to do since I've never painted a car in my life, and this is a two-stage pearl metal flake paint that, from what I hear, is very difficult.